They say a picture's worth 1,000 words, and in this industry that's as true as it is anywhere else. And you could easily extrapolate that to say a video is worth 1,000 pictures. And when you're trying to convey a complex subject or process or procedure to somebody, even if you're speaking the same exact language, there's a lot of interpretation that goes into that. The amount of complexity that video can convey and the accuracy in which it conveys it eliminates so much of that interpretation. Having a base level understanding when you're working with capital equipment is vital to its operation. You could have the best equipment in the world, but if you don't understand how it works, you can't expect it to satisfy the needs that you bought it for. And without training, that just simply is impossible.
Join us for a first-of-its-kind experience. Introducing ForgED, a new video-based training platform from CMD, designed to transform the way your team learns. Discover step-by-step equipment guidance, expert insights, and a smarter way to train, all at your fingertips. Register online at the link in the description and join us Tuesday, May 12th to get in on this exciting new development from CMD.